So Google has introduced a new AI tool for the developers called Jules, and it's pretty big shift from the usual coding assistant that you might have tried. Instead of just suggesting code of lines as you type, Jules is what called synchronous coding agent. Now that might sound technical, but here is what it really means. Jules can work on tasks by itself in the background while you are focusing on something else. You don't need to sit and watch it or constantly give it instructions. You tell it what to do, like fix a bug, write some test, or update a part of your code, and it handle the rest on its own. But what really set Jules apart is that the design to take on complex, time-consuming tasks, especially in large code base. So we are not talking about writing one function or fixing typo. Jules can upgrade an outdated version of Node.js, for example. And it does not just make a quick fix, it's plan the steps, edit all the necessary file, and even prepare a pull request all in a matter of minutes. Tasks that used to take you hours can be done while you grab a cup of coffee. To do this, Jules first clone your code base into private virtual machine on Google Cloud that give it access to the full project, not just a single file. So it actually understands the structure and logic behind your code. It's like giving the AI the whole puzzle instead of just one piece. If you are using GitHub, Jules fit right in. It's create its own branch, make the changes there, and keep your main code untouched until it's ready to merge. So it's safe. And you are always in control. Jules can do a bunch of different things. It can write unit tests, build out new features, fix bug, update old dependency, and even turn your commit history into a spoken chain logs. That's right. It can actually give you an audio summary of what changed in your project. It's a smart way to keep track without having to read through every commit. Now, even though it's powerful, Jules don't take over your project. You still get full control. You can review its plan, check every code change, ask it to adjust things, and decide when and what gets merged. Also, it does not train on your private code, which is a big deal for privacy. Under the hood, Jules run on Google's Gemini model, including Gemini 2.0 and 2.5 Pro. That what give its ability to understand and work with complex code base in a smart and structured way. Right now, Jules is in public beta, which means it is still being improved, but anyone can try it out. If you are curious, just go to the juice.google.com and sign up. Now let's take some overview over the juice.google. And this is the homepage. And if you want to come at this homepage, so you have to come at this URL. This is .juice.google. And here's their tagline: Juice does coding tasks you don't want to do. And it's kind of like a bug fixing, version bump test, fixing Z scopes. And if you scroll down, they will also tell you about some main key features like GitHub integration, like test shoots, and like virtual machine. A virtual machine is basically like it's run on like Google Cloud, and then like is a shower. And this is the complete process, like how it's work. And then we have like the two main things that is currently the two main features you can say. And this one is it's uh, it's better to edit the code, or if you are if you work on like GitHub, so this is the best. You can use this one, and it give you 5 daily free tasks. So it's currently it's at beta, and it give you 5 free tasks, so you can use it for completely free. And second is like audio summary, so it give you like audio summary. So just think you made some changes over like complete week, and now you want to don't want to look at what you have made changes, but you want to know. And what you can do is you can use the audio summary feature, and it will tell you by read out things we have done this, we have done this, and that's it. So now we are going to move forward to the Jules, and we are going to click on this one, to try Jules. And after that we will get notice to accept, and we are going to receive the invitations, and just click on this and continue. After that, here we are, and it is asking us to connect with the GitHubs, and here's their taglines like meet Jules and sync development agents. So let's connect it with GitHub, and here connected. Install and authorize repo. Now we have to enter our password. So now just enter this password and click on this confirm, and it's now connecting. So successfully authenticated with like GitHub. In 2 seconds, it's automatically closed. And now we are done. And here is our like GitHub, and this is a repo. So we have this test repo here, and it will show you some like the private repos as well, so you can edit them as well. And the main thing is like the so basically the public repo, if you have like two types of repo, like the public one and the private one. So they will train their data on the like public one, and they didn't use your like private repos to train your data. So like directly like about like didn't train Jules on your private repo. This is the main things. And you can like if you have like multiple branch, so you can select a branch from here and edit them separately, and that's it. Now we are going to add a task here, so we are going to write some task like add a note feature, like for taking notes. And now we are going to click on this button, give me plan. So it doesn't write code directly. So first it will give you plan, and then it will like execute that plan. Jules is experience heavy traffic, task is queue and will start shortly. So it's basically because of like it's uh it's just released and it's just currently in beta. So let's talk about this. So here you will see your task, like the recent task. So it can work like about like 5 tasks simultaneously. So like the in the parallel, and you will see all of them here. So now it will start working, and we will wait like. And here you can see daily task limit. So currently we are working on at one, and we have like 4 left out. So we can use them as well. And here are their like dogs and their social icons. You can use them as well. And let's collab this one, and here we have the plan. So it's just ready the complete plan, like create node.py and clade.py, and we have some more things. And now if we approve this plan, so this is like a plan auto approve in like 0.00 second. So it give us like the timer. If you approve the plan, it's okay. If you don't approve, it will automatically approve. So you don't have to in fact like approve the plan. And now it start the working, and now all we have to do is just wait. So I was like saying like the Jules is like experience having heavy load. So heavy load is basically because the yesterday they announced it officially in the like public beta and in like Google I/O. That's why it's like it's at currently like heavy traffic. So now it's start writing. So it's currently working on, and we will see. So they also have like I see this tagline in the like most of Google AI products that here it's like Jules can make mistakes or double check it, and you can see these taglines in the like other Google AI products like in the like Notebook LM. It's like Notebook LM can make mistakes or double check, and it's more like why they are not trying to make it like better like so we don't have to like double check. What is the reason of like double checking if we are not relying on the like AI? So it's like doing the things, and we have these files, and it is currently working on them, and it's like updated this file, this one, and currently working on that read.md. And after that, it will just submit the changes, and let's see. And on the right side, you will see the file that it just write. And here's this file, this one, and this one. So it will give you some things like this. And if you want to switch to like expand this one, so you can expand this one as well. And if you are thinking like what is this blank space, so it's basically like if you have like two things, uh here is like for the past version, you will see like if you have already a file completed and you do some changes here. So what it really does is like it will show you like the previous file here, and it will show you the new file that you just had created on the right side. And if we go on the read.md, and this is a file section, and now we are going to collapse this one, and we just made this complete changes that we just asked it to do. And now what it can do as well, it's like a publish branch. So if we want, like we can do the like publish branch on like GitHub from here as well. So if I click on this one, branch name or commit message. Okay, so it's currently working. Like it's doing some stuff in the back end. So we have to wait for some seconds here. And here's search bar. We can use the search bar as well. And now if we want to like work on like another repo or like another branch, so what we can do is just go from here, like the use this plus icon, and we can just edit another branch as well. So currently we didn't have like another branch, and that's it for like today's video. And if you still have some doubts, so you can use these two options as well. It's like this is like how it's work, like Jules in 90 seconds, and like, it will give you a short tutorials like how this thing work, and this complete documentations, and need help as well. So this is a GitHub page, so you can use this one as well. Okay, so that's now all this for video, and I hope you understand something from this video. And if you like this video, you can consider to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.